Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. This is Oblong Polka Dots and my name is Kerr, and on this channel we talk about makeup, skincare, and beauty. So, if that's something you're into, you've come to the right place. Hola a todos y bienvenidos a mi canal Oblong Polka Dots. Me llamo Kerr y en este canal hablamos de maquillaje, cuidado de piel, belleza. Entonces, si eso es algo que te gusta, has venido al lugar correcto. As always, I don't have a lot of time. No tengo mucho tiempo hoy, así empezamos. So, hoy quiero usar esa paleta de Glamlite y se llama Hershey's Milk Chocolate Palette. Me gusta Glamlite y... oops. Me gusta Glamlite y tiene paletas con like themes. So, in this case, en este caso, es un bar de chocolate. Y mira, bam, qué bonita, ¿sí? Ok, so quiero usar los dos colores, más o menos, quizás tres, pero creo que sí los dos. Así, quizás, ya, eso y... no sé. Ok, eso es y eso. So, no, eso y eso. Y quizás un color de shimmer, pero no sé. Así, empezamos. So, tengo e.l.f. Jellypop Dew Primer. Y me gusta mucho porque mi piel es muy seco. Y necesito un primer que tiene moisture. Porque no sé la palabra en español para moisture. Y oh, love it. Feels so good, you guys. All right, and then we're going to let that dry. And we're going to go right in with the eyes. So let's grab a... So quiero usar eso de Danessa Myricks y se llama Color Fix in Latte. This is a really good base for when you're doing eyeshadows and you want the color to pop. So, pero cuidado, usa un poquito, like very little, because little goes a very long ways. And you're just going to pop that on the lid. Just like that. And it dries pretty quickly, you guys. I just wanted to have kind of a lighter color base for the brown to go with. And see, rosada y café son colores, they go well together. Yeah, rosada y café son colores me gustantes. Okay. And then, oops, I sure did drop that, didn't I? It's making a mess, you guys. All right, we're going to blend this in a little bit. So let's grab... You can tell I was not prepared this morning. Let's grab just a small brush and we're going to blend in the crease a little bit. It's not dry yet. Okay, that's good. All right, so actually we can use this again in a minute. We're going to use usamos un brush that's flat. Y primero color aquí. No, sorry, lo siento. Quiero usar eso. Ese color. Okay, and then we're going to put this all over the lid. As always, Glamlite colors are pretty pigmented, so you don't need a lot. No necesitamos, I cannot speak today, you guys, I'm so sorry. No necesitamos mucho color. Just a little bit is good, and you can just pat it just to pack on the color. And you can see that color has a lot of peach or pink in it, which is perfect. That's what we were looking for. And then for the other one, let's use, actually, you know what? Yeah, let's try this one right here. This one. Let's see what that looks like. I have the feeling that this is going to be maybe a little bit deeper. Yeah, okay, that's good. I'm trying to go for a gradient, so we're going to use that right there in the middle. And then we're going to deeper up the outer corner. And then, let's see. I like this one right here, so let's use this one. All right. And same brush. Go just like this. Look at how saturated that is. So pretty. Okay, that's good. And then we're going to blend it out, and that's it. We really don't need to do more than that. I was going to put a shimmer on my lid, but I don't know. It's Monday. We're going to leave the shimmer for tomorrow. We'll leave it for tomorrow. Although, I know you guys, I do this every time. Let me blend out this edge real quick and think about this. So, I mean, this is my first time using the palette. Mi primero tiempo usar la paleta y no sé si quiero usar un otro color, pero I don't know, you guys. What do you think? Should I use a shimmer? I think I will. Okay, so how about this one right here? We'll use this one. All right, ready? Let's do it. Ooh, no. We need to probably just do this with the finger, like this. Yeah, that's better. Okay, so hold on. Ooh, look how pretty. I like this. That's good. I think that's good. Because I don't want to take it all the way into the corner. I just wanted to slap a little on the lid. Actually slapped a lot more on the lid than I thought I would, but that's okay. Actually, you know what? Why not? Why not? We'll just take it into the corner and be done with it. Yeah, that's good. A little bit more. What do you think? ¿Qué crees? ¿Te gusta? No? ¿Sí? Más o menos. Dígame in the comment section. Okay. Let's hurry. I don't think I have a lot to clean up here, which is good. But I do have a little more. Ooh. Oh. Here we go. Hold on. Put that over there. And I need a blending brush. This will work. How about this one right here? Okay, ready? Are you crooked? Do you feel crooked? We good? Is it me? It's probably just me. Okay, that's better. We're just going to blend out this edge right here because I feel like it's a little bit, that's better. We just wanted it to come together a little bit more. I don't want the lines to look harsh. Just like that. That's good. Okay. Do you like it? Because I like it. I like it. Okay. So now let's finish up the rest of the face really, really quick. I'll be right back. Okay guys, I'm back, and as always, I think that the Glamlite palette is amazing. I think Glamlite wins. They just have a fantastic formula that I really love. It's very easy to work with, very pigmented. I mean, it's just beautiful. So yeah, if you like browns or if you like browns and shimmer, then I recommend this palette for sure. This will be reached for constantly because I love neutrals, and I just think that this is a really beautiful alternative to a lot of the neutral palettes that I already own. So there you have it. Thank you so much for joining me today. I really appreciate your time. Don't forget to like, comment, subscribe, and share, and I will talk to you soon. Take care.